All right, so welcome to Lovable. So Lovable is an application that enables you to create anything. So from what it says here, it says build something, create apps and website by chatting with AI. Okay, so unlike um, okay, prior to this time, before this time, when you want to build an app, you have to code. Okay, you have to code and code and code everything. But with Lovable right now, you don't need to code anything, right? All you just have to do is to just tell Lovable what you want to build, right? The same English that you write, you just write it that way, and Lovable is going to build that. So, Benjamin, let me ask you, what should we build right now in this class? Benjamin?
I think we should build an app that can like edit images or videos like that. It's
Oh,
like something like Halo and Leonardo like together.
okay, that is a very complex app that I don't think Lovable will be able to build. But let's look for something simpler. What else? Maybe we can say a video editing app, but again, I don't know if it's going to build, be able to work on something like that. But let's think of something different. Lovable is an app that helps you to create anything. Okay, from what you can see here,
Yes, sir.
it says build something, right? You can create an app and create you can create an app and website by just chatting with AI. Okay, and I was saying that before
Yes,
this
sir.
time, before AI really became something huge, when you want to build an app, you have to spend lots of money to build an app. But right now, you can just come over to Lovable and you can build anything. So I was asking Benjamin before you came, what should we build? So let me also ask you, what should we build in this class right now that we are going to use as an example or as a practical? What do you think we should build?
An app, an app or a website.
Yes, an app or a website that does
Okay.
what should you do?
Yes. I'm thinking about an app that can able to type words, something like that. Like MS Word.
MS Word. Okay, you're really thinking big. Okay, I think that can. Okay, we can type in something. Okay, an app that can enable us type and edit documents, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. So now let's do that. Now, right? What we are going to write, we are going to tell AI, right? We are going to tell AI that creates. Don't worry, I will send you the prompt. Okay, create me
Okay, sir.
an app that enables me to type and edit like MS Word. Okay? Like MS Word. Now, this is the only thing I can think of. But now let me show you how you can write a better prompt. Right? So all you have to do is to copy this. Okay, and now I'm teaching you what you can do, right? So maybe when you're creating your own app, this is what you should do. Now you go to ChatGPT. You remember ChatGPT? Guys, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you go to ChatGPT and you paste it in. Okay? You say create me. Alright, in ChatGPT you now write um take yourself to be a professional prompt engineer and create a prompt that does the following does the following following now the following is what we have already written that. Okay, take yourself. Oh, what did I write in here? I'm coming. Okay, take yourself to be a professional prompt engineer and create a prompt for me, a prompt for for me that enables me to type and edit, like MS Word. Do you know what is MS Word?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
Microsoft.
Thank you. So like MS Word, what other features should we add to our app? What else do you want the app to do?
Let's see.
Alright, we can also say it should have all the editing tools, color palettes, and say etc. Okay, etc. Now remember, the reason why we are telling AI ChatGPT to do that now, you know, we are limited in what we can think of. Okay, all we just want to do is to create a tool that will enable us to type, right? But we don't know everything about the tool. Okay, we do not
Yes, sir.
we do not know everything about the tool. So what we are telling ChatGPT to do is to help us to think. Okay, we are telling ChatGPT that it should act as a professional prompt engineer, and you should write us a prompt that helps us to do this. So what you do, you just click on this. First, let me send you this link, this text, copy it and paste somewhere, so that when you're creating your own, you can change what we have written in there. Okay, you can keep the professional, then you can change what you want ChatGPT to rewrite for you. Okay, so that is the prompt. You can copy it and keep somewhere, or you can take a screenshot of it. Yes, our ChatGPT. Now once you do that, you click on enter. Now ChatGPT will now create you a professional prompt. Okay, can you see my screen? Can you see my
No.
screen?
Yes.
Who is saying no and who is saying yes?
Okay. Yes, I can see it now.
Okay,
It just appeared.
okay.
I can see your screen too.
All right. So once you give that prompt to ChatGPT, right? This is it. And from here you can see the prompt title. It has created the prompt title for you. So you scroll down, then under right here where it says copy, you'll see this icon where you click on copy. Okay. Now we will now go back to Lovable. Then we will now delete this and paste in Ctrl V. Okay. Paste in what we told ChatGPT to write. Okay, the prompt. Now once you have done that, you click on this arrow, right? Click on it to go, and now you wait and you see that Lovable will start thinking about your application and to start working. Okay, so right here, this is where your application will show up when you are done creating. Right here is where the prompts that we type in will be, and if you want to tell,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Are you meant to copy the whole prompt from ChatGPT?
Yes, you copy the whole prompt. Let me send you the prompt too.
Okay.
Let me send you the prompt too. It's in the chat. So you copy it. Okay, this is the entire prompt.
I've already asked ChatGPT for a prompt.
Awesome.
Now it's your own on my own.
Awesome, smart guy. Thank you. So you go over to Lovable, and Lovable is thinking. Okay. So if you look at this place, it says working. Can you see it on the menu bar? By the side menu, it says working under the chat here. Under the chat where my cursor is, you can see it says working. Okay, and once it's done, you're going to hear one notification sound. Okay, and it will preview. Can you all see my screen? Can you see my screen, guys?
No.
Yes.
What can you see on my screen?
I can see a word processor.
This is Chibuzo, can you also see my screen?
No, it's only your picture.
Uh-uh. Only my picture you can see. And how
Yes.
is Benjamin seeing my screen? Uh,
Is he using laptop?
yes. I think you need to know how to operate the phone to be able to see um, on your phone, right? Look through the charts, you will see screen or something. Look through the interface. Once you click on, I think you should click on my pic. Is it my picture? Now let me stop it so that okay. Then share. I think you should be able to see the screen now.
Let me see if I can join back with the laptop.
Okay. Anyways, this class is recorded, so you can always. I will send the link as well.
Okay. I cannot see your screen.
All right. So as you can see, we have created a word processor, right? You guys said we should create
Yes, sir.
something, and look, guys, I can change the color from white to dark. I think this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So right now, I'm going to give my document a name. I'm going to say lovable class. Lovable class. Then I'm going to type, maybe I'm going to paste the prompt that I put in here. This is the prompt, okay? And I can highlight, let's see, you can try everything. We can make this document bold. Can you guys type? Do you know how to type?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you know how to type, you've been able to create yourself a document, okay? Right now, we can also upload an image. If you click right here, we can put an image URL here, and that is fine. And we can change color. I think if you highlight this, we can, you see, we have changed the color, we have highlighted. You can undo. If you click on this is undo, okay? Let's click on it again. Well, it's not working. Not everything is actually working so far. So if you highlight this and click on this it list, okay, you see it has been italicized. Okay? And let's see whether we can save our document that we've created. Okay? We click on save. The document has been saved locally. So you can make any change, or so you can make any changes that you want. You can come over here and type in change the background color to any color of your choice, okay? And Lovable is just going to do that, okay? And you can say you want the document to be saved in PDF file. Just say I want the document to be saved as a PDF file, right? They click on enter, and you can see that Lovable will start working on it. As you can see, it's working, okay, and it's thinking. Now when you click on the save button, right, it's going to change, it's going to save this entire document that we have created here into a PDF file, okay? So we say the save functionality now generates a PDF file with the document title as header. Alright, so let's, okay. Now once you click on save, you see it saves as PDF. You can see, okay, if I open it, you can see lovable class.pdf, okay? And now this is the title that we gave it, lovable class, okay? So you can increase the size of any text, okay? You see, you can increase it. You can remove, let's remove this color, right? We change the color initially. We can make it white, okay? And remove the color, and we can also make it straight. Now when you click on this icon, this is the 8 leaves, okay? Right now, this is the document we've been able to create. Alright, so basically you see that we have been able to create an app, and this is what I want you to create. Create practically anything that you want to create. Alright, and we will see again later, next Saturday.